I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast, a tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray, a tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. Alfred Joyce Kilmer, an American writer and poet who wrote the poem titled Trees. He was killed in combat in World War I at the age of 31. The Joyce Kilmer Memorial Forest is a 3,800-acre old-growth forest in Graham County, North Carolina. It is one of the largest contiguous tracts of old-growth forests in the eastern U.S. Some of the huge poplar trees are over 400 years old, 20 feet in circumference, and 100 feet tall.
Too slick.
Are you gonna try it? There you go. Ooh.
Here, I'll hold on to your arm.
Okay, there we go. Grab my wrist. Alright. You got remote control?
No, it's running video.
All